Still have food in his mouth. I think so. A little bit.
Alex.
Alex, give him one. Give him one fry.
Still eating.
Alex, give him one fry to his hands. Give it to Gotch.
Cut.
Try giving it to his hands.
Hold it.
Mamutul mo bad.
Pass out. Are you Trump? He's already snore.